Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today's video we're going to take you on the journey and show you how I prepare this red pea soup with chicken breast and chicken back. Now the outcome wasn't as I expected, but it tasted real good. So let's get into the video. So already we cleaned our chicken back. You know that takes a long while to do, unfortunately, and also cooked the peas and the chicken back and breast together. And now we're going to add the vegetables in. I'll go ahead and add some pumpkin. Now I diced my pumpkin really small because I wanted them to be easier to cook. So I add them into the mixture. Normally I'd add the pumpkin when the chicken is being cooked, but that didn't happen. Here I also have some carrots. I also have some potato. I'll then add these to the pot as well. I allow it to cook for a while, so I'm just gonna put on the lid and allow it to cover for a while. Now the color of the peas, I didn't like it. I have the dumplings which I will be making off camera. Unfortunately didn't get a chance to make it on camera. I will also go in with some coconut milk. Now you can't make chickpea soup without some coconut milk, so here's my coconut milk, and I'm going to add this to the pot which have everything else in it already. So we added some corn, we added the dumpling, and we're going to allow this to really come to a real nice boil. So we're going to cover it a bit and allow everything to come together nicely. I really enjoy this meal, though it may not look as I really wanted. I like when it have this nice rich color. Didn't have it, but it was actually really good. So you just gonna allow it to boil for another 15 minutes or so. So let's take a look of what we have here so far. It's almost done. We have dumpling and corn. I don't like these peas because the peas really don't give it any color. So all you have to do is just season your pot, season to taste, put whatever you want to put in there, and just allow it to cook down. Alright. So in another 10 minutes, mine will be ready. So this is the finished product. I'm definitely going to enjoy it. Let us show you now. See how it gets thick because it's a bit cool now. So we have some chicken, lots of chicken. We have a few dumplings, and we're gonna enjoy it. It actually tastes really good. So my only drawback is that it don't have that red color that I'm used to, but overall it's really good. I'm going to enjoy this one.